Hello guys, Siim from runabitcoinnode.com here. So I'm running a Bitcoin node with Odroid M1. It's a Raspberry Pi 4 alternative to run a Bitcoin full node. And I arrived with circa 90 hours to almost 75% of synchronized blockchain, Bitcoin blockchain, and it means that instead of 3 days it will be probably 5 days. I will make another video when it's 100%, but everything is going good. The Odroid M1 box is not neither very warm. Blockchain trace total will be around 560 gigabytes, so at the end it's actually slower than the first 25% of the synchronization, and I keep you updated how it's going. It's going very good by now, and memory usage, it's always more than 4, so I strongly recommend Raspberry Pi or Odroid One to have 8 GB version. The price difference is very little. Actually the Odroid M1 is faster and is cheaper now. I keep you updated. Also I already use 500 GB from 2 GB, so that's why it's better to have the 2 terabyte version of the SSD instead of 1 terabyte, and I have NVMe option, and the price difference is from 65 to 105 euro only, so I really recommend the 2 terabyte version. Thank you, bye, I hope it was useful. If you have some questions, let them in the comment section below. Thank you, bye.